This would be a simple tutorial of how to lube and film your switches. So today we have two vermilion bird switches and we'll be lubing one of them so you can kind of tell the difference. What you would need, very basic things. You need a brush, which is provided in our lube kit, and you need Krytox. So this is 205 grade 0, okay? And typically we'll use 105 for the springs, but this part I'll be skipping because they are very easy to lube. So let me just show you how to do it. So there are two switch pins here on each side. So what you do is you take the switch pins and you put it into the switch opener and you press it. The switch should release and you'll end up with two pieces of the switch. It's like so. So this is the spring, this is the top housing, the bottom housing, and the stem. So take your brush, 205 grade 0, it's the white color stuff, and take a little bit of the 205 grade 0. Make sure that your brush is not over lubed, so brush off the excess. And for here, you can see that the bottom housing has two little channels, this side and this side. So lube this part, lube this part, and also the center channel that is the spring. As for the stem, you can use a stem holder. So again, the channels, this side, this side, and all the contact points. And of course, you can go around this part as well. For the springs, typically we would use 105 grade 0 and we'll bag lube the springs. But for this, because it's already factory lubed, I'll be skipping this step. Put the spring back, put the stem back, and put the top casing back. So the top case has two little grooves. You can see that there is a little opening here and one with a big part. So the completely closed off part goes over where the leaf spring is. You can see here, that's the leaf spring. So it goes like this. Where the stem is facing, the two legs will point towards the leaf spring. Close it up like this. And it will click together and you have a completely looped switch. And this is how you loop switches.